ask me if I'm okay. I tell them that I am fine. I don't tell lies, but honestly I can't equate what's in my mind. Nobody really gives a damn unless you're gone, unless you're gone. They say they'd listen and understand, but in the end I'm still alone. They look at me, they see all peace, but darkness inside I can't derive. How do I vanish without anybody knowing that I'm gone? Would they come look for me if all of a sudden I am gone? They ask me if I'm okay. I tell them that I am fine. I don't tell lies, but honestly I can't equate what's in my mind. Nobody really gives a damn unless you're gone, unless you're gone, unless you're gone, unless you're